January 7th, 2021, Fluency. A restaurant received the following delivery. 38 and 75 hundredths pounds of chicken, 58 and 75 hundredths pounds of ground meat, and 62 and 77 hundredths pounds of pork. So they received this same exact order 6 times during the month. Ooh, that's a lot. That's good though. How many pounds of food is delivered to the restaurant every month? So first of all, what we need to take a look at is this 38 and 75 hundredths pounds of chicken. We need to look at the 58.75 pounds of ground meats. And we did that one. And the 62 and 77 hundredths pounds of pork. So we need to add those together first. So let's add them up. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting decimals, line them up. Line them up. So 38 and 75 hundredths, 58 and 75 hundredths, and 62 and 77 hundredths. All right, let's add these up. Woohoo! 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 times 3, for this 7 plus 7 plus 7, well, that's 14. And then plus another 7 is 21. And then plus another 1 is going to be 22. Carry that 2, drop that 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Another 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 5 is 10. Plus 6 is 16. What do I need to do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. So this is how many pounds of food they receive each, but they receive this 6 times. So this is the pounds. They receive this 6 times during a month. So 6 times. We need to multiply this by 6. So, we need to multiply this by 6. I wonder if I can move this. Oh, yeah! Sweet. So, oh, yeah. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to maybe, can I make it smaller? Oh, whoa! I just made it smaller. Wow, that was so cool. Okay, so, sorry, I got excited. 160 and 27 hundredths pounds times 6, because it's 6 times a week. Now let's multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry that 4, drop that 2. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Carry that 1, drop that 6. 6 times 0 is 0. Then you add the 1, which is 1, because anything times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. And 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 3, 7, 8, and 9. And what do I do with that decimal? We gotta count our swoops. 1, 2, and 1, and 2. So our decimal will go in between that 1 and that 6. So our answer is 961 and 62 hundredths pounds each month. And you can just put pounds if you want as well. So as long as you have the 961 and 62 hundredths and you have the pound, you are good to go for that fluency. Woohoo! Great job.